guys, it's me, Nerd Girl Life. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some slime. So I'm starting with some glue that I already poured into my bowl. I'm using Elmer's, but you can use any other type that has PVA in it. Then I'm using borax as my activator. I think you can also use baking soda and contact lens solution as an activator, but I'm using borax. So yeah. For the coloring, you can either use green, but I'm going to mix my own green using some yellow and blue. And then this is optional. You can have a scent. I'm using chocolate mint from P&J Trading, and then some black glitters. Okay, so I'm starting with pouring my paint into the mixture. Oh gosh, you guys. That was funny. I hope I got that on camera, because that was really, like, explosive. So, like, this paint takes forever to come out. It literally takes forever. So, I'm sorry. While we're waiting for this paint to come out of the bottle, let's just talk. How are you? How is life? How are you guys doing? Are you guys thinking of trying out this recipe? If not, it's okay. It doesn't hurt my feelings. Have you guys heard of slime before? If you have, comment down below. Do you guys like slime? What do you think of it? Okay, it's finally coming out. It's kind of coming out. Oh, I see there's a little drop coming out. Please. Oh, goodness, you guys. Look at that. It kind of came out. Just trying to shake it around. Oh, gosh. That was a bad idea. Okay. Don't do that. Okay. A bad role model. I'm so impatient, though. That's why. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm just using something to mix with. I'm using an old crayon that doesn't work anymore. I'm just mixing in the color, as you can see here. It turned it a really pale blue. And I wanted more of a explosive blue, but you know, that's fine. Now I'm just going to pour my yellow in. Hopefully it doesn't take as long to come down. You guys, this is the worst part of the making slime. Waiting for the paint to come down. It would be faster if you had food coloring, but I don't have food coloring in green anymore. I kind of wasted it all up. So yeah, don't do that. It's taking so long, you guys. I'm so sorry if this video is getting boring. Anyways, you guys, again, if you've heard of slime, tell me, have you ever made it before? And if you've made it, did it work? And what type did you make? And if you've ever felt slime before, what's your favorite type of slime? Do you like fluffy slime or butter slime or just regular slime, glossy slime? I don't know. I need to know more about you guys. You guys are my family. My favorite type of slime is definitely butter slime. All my slimes are literally butter slimes. Like, I have one over here. This is a butter slime. I have another one over here. This is a butter slime. So now I'm just mixing that yellow in. It looks like a highlighter. It literally looks like highlighter. Wait, it's kind of mixing to make a green. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh yes, this is what we wanted. This is what we wanted, you guys. We wanted this. We needed this. Okay. Do you guys see that minty green color? I don't know if the camera's picking it up a lot. Here. So it's a really nice green color. Now that I've done that, next I'm just going to mix in my scent. I'm using this chocolate mint one from P&J Tradings. I'm just going to add a couple drops in there. If you've ever had a York, this smells like a York, like almost exactly like a York. I'm just mixing the couple drops that I put in to the slime. Okay. It smells so good. Next, I'm just going to add my black glitters. I got these from Michaels. Careful not to add too much or the glitters will come off on your hands. And you do not want that because it is so messy. You can never get glitter off your hands. Once it's on there, it's not coming off. So as you can see, it kind of looks like mint ice cream, mint chip ice cream, which is what we want it to look like. So I'm going to add a little bit more glue, just because I want my slime to be a little bit bigger than it's turning out to be. Thought I added more glue than that. I'm just mixing that all together. And that seems to have dulled the color, which is bad. So guess what, guys? We're back to this, which means we're also back to YouTube fam time. Hello. How are you guys doing? Again, for like the 69th time. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. I'm really trying hard to be funny or entertaining. It's hard for me to come up in front of the camera. I'm afraid that people are going to be like hating on me in the comments. Oh goodness, it's taking so long to come out, you guys. And I know you guys are like, edit it out. I think it's actually fun to be like socializing instead of just actually having fun while watching my video. Yeah, I see how that sounds now. Okay. Well, anyways, let's just wait for that to come out. My gosh, I completely spilled like the paint all over there. If you guys can hear the garage door opening, don't worry. It's my dad. Don't worry, I'm safe here. He's just coming to bring some, he got some supplies so we could eat food. He wants to make us hot dogs. Trying to hurry the process up. I think that's enough. If it's not, then I'm sorry, but I don't want to spend any more time than I need to on this. This is the most boring part of it. Okay, so guys, just please ignore the sounds in the background. Like, please ignore that. I'm just like, if you guys have a YouTube channel, you know the struggle of having parents like ruin it in the background. Oh, goodness gracious. I have a friend who says gracious a lot. I don't know why I just said that, but I guess we're family, guys, so, you know, if you subscribe to me, you're my family, you're my friends, you guys. You're my fam. You are my friends and my family. You guys are invited to Thanksgiving. But that already passed, so you're invited to New Year's. Okay, so now that we're done with that, I'm just going to add some borax. This is not a fluffy slime or a butter slime. I want it to be kind of basic right now. So I'm just adding a little bit of borax and then just mixing it. As you can see, it should start to clump up like this. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit closer. You should see how it's clumping up like that. We want that. It's also sticking to the sides, as you can see. Just keep on stirring. It's not completely done yet. If it sticks to your utensil like that, you might find it gross. Just kind of peel it off, like with your fingers. Keep on mixing. Oh gosh, like all the little things on the sides. Gross. Okay. Keep on mixing, you guys. You guys, this is getting so tough to mix. You need strength. Let me tell you, ever since I've started making slime, my arms have gotten stronger. I'm just adding a little more borax now. Don't overdo it on the borax or else you'll come off with like a sticky thing that's not even slime. It's going to be not even slime. It's not even going to be overactivated. It's going to feel like a putty or something. Don't mind me putting my finger in that. There was just like a little piece of like orange in it that I don't know how it got in there, but it's not supposed to be in there. Okay. Just trying to stir this Okay, when it starts to get really, really hard to stir like that, you might want to consider taking it out and kneading it like I did. I know it still might be sticky if you're kneading this, but just don't give up. Guys, this looks so pretty actually. It looks really, really pretty. It's a really nice green color. I'm just going to add a little bit more borax so that it doesn't really stick to my hands. I know a lot of people do like sticky slimes, and if you like sticky slimes that stick to your hands, then you should probably stop when it's sticking to your hands. But I personally like stretchy slimes that don't stick to your hands, so I'm just gonna keep adding some borax and just keep kneading. This is also, I will provide some ASMR at the end of the video. If you don't know what ASMR is, it's basically when I play with the slime and it makes really, really satisfying noises. If you don't like those, then you can skip to the end of the video. But personally, I like the sounds of slime poking and stuff, but you know, everyone's different. Hey, that actually looks really cute. Okay, I'm gonna put it down right now. I'm gonna add a couple more black glitters just because I want them to be a bit more defined in the slime than they are right now. Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna fold them in. Mixing in those glitters. I also just spilled some black glitter over there, so I just picked it up with my slime. So here it is, you guys. Here's the final product. I don't know, what do you guys think? Personally, I really like it. This one is supposed to be a mint chip ice cream slime. It smells exactly like the real thing. My scent made it smell so good, you guys. It smells awesome. And the scent is completely skin safe, so it won't burn my hand off, I promise. The Crayola paints that I used for the slime are also skin safe and non-toxic. The glitters are also non-toxic, so they won't hurt me. And Elmer's glue, again, is non-toxic, so this slime is completely okay to play with. Just don't eat it. It's not edible. Here's some ASMR, you guys. Please don't mind my messy desk. This is my slime laboratory. As you can see, it's not the neatest thing, you guys. Look at that bowl. I need to clean that, guys. One thing about slime making is that it is very, very messy. So yeah, you guys, now that we're at the end of the video, I think it's time that I give you a close-up of the slime. On camera, it looks a lot less green than it is in real life. Here's some ASMR for you guys, though. I'm like filming this with one hand, so don't mind that. Okay, overall, I think this was a big, huge success, you guys. And then when you are done with your slime and making your slime and stuff, you might want to use an airtight container if you're planning on keeping your slime. I'm using this one. It's an airtight container and it's sure to make your slime last a lot longer if you keep it in there. Over time, your slime might deflate, but if you keep it in the right conditions, such as, again, an airtight container, and keep it at room temperature, it'll last a long time and you'll have a really good slime to play with. I'm just putting mine in the little container. Do you guys like my pants? These are my pajama pants. Like all vloggers everyone, you can ask them, even in like their Get Ready With Me vlogs, they say that they just dress up from their top and they don't even do their bottom. I'm wearing my pajamas. Deal with it. Okay. Anyways, you guys, that's all for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.